fucking pile of shit. Alright, ladies. We are going to be taking out, where are they? The cats out of my car. Hopefully make it a little bit louder, because the stock Grampy mufflers on this thing are not cool. So, something going on over here. There's something going on over there. Anyways, alright, I will give you guys a startup of what it sounds like right now. Let's see if that's a good angle. Oh yeah. We're shooting, don't say anything dumb. Alright, cool. Alright.
Okay, do we have one?
So, let's see where we're gonna need to get. All the way down there to the catalytic converters. So we might just have to pick the whole thing up and put it on jack stands. What do you think?
Yeah, I was thinking the same thing.
Shut up. Yeah, actually.
I mean, we could cut it from right here.
Yeah, we could probably cut it off from right there. But.
So it's clamped on right here.
Yeah.
And so if all we gotta do is literally cut it from right there.
God damn it, quit filming the ground, fatty. Fatty, I mean, I almost said the F word. Alright, Garrett, hand me the 12 tons. I'll take one. Got a lift kit on the Trans Am. Put these right about. Oh, we're gonna need to pump that jack stand or pump the. Ah, come on, please, baby. Yeah, just put them close as possible. All right, we're gonna try and cut it off now. Cut it right there, and then over there we can just unpipe clamp it. So hopefully you guys can see that. And I'm gonna try to do this shit. Right about chomp. Huh? I don't think the Ryobi is gonna cut it here, guys. Alright, get a fat camera angle of this. It's already recording, so okay. It's up YouTube.
Like, yeah, hold it straight up and down.
Oh, let me,
That's not good. Okay,
oh, fuck yeah. Blade's not big enough?
Oh, is it not? That's why?
It looked like it.
Alright, cut the video, cut the footage.
Cut the bit.
Are we going to the other side, Garrett? Yeah. Yeah? Yeah. I think I'm trying to cut the weld. Oh, you can, damn. Am I cutting the weld? Is that what I'm doing? Or is it pretty straight? No, you're straight. Right straight up, fine. Oh, we're almost there. Oh, a little bit more.
Alright, well, Well, that one's off. We'll get the next one off and show you guys the next step and shit like that. All right, tell me, what's the news? We almost got it out.
Dude,
We almost got it out.
the pipe bees long.
All right. Wiggle!
Wiggles. Which wiggle would you want to
Wiggle.
All right, just go. Hurry up, hurry up. Keep this shit PG-13.
Are we getting it on?
Taking it off, taking it off, taking it off. Go, go, go!
That is not fucking coming off.
Oh, it's,
Oh.
all right, ready? I'm gonna slip my finger and cut it wide open.
Watch your faces.
Oh, yeah, no,
No!
Not Garrett's perfect hair. Dude.
All right.
I think it's...
Oh, she's actually coming.
Keep going.
Yes.
Get it! Come on, Caleb, you don't have a girlfriend, let's go! Oh, so you can do that.
It's like right there. It's gotta be.
Stop.
That's fucking.
No, that's good.
That is so fucking deep in there.
Jiminy Christmas.
You ever come along?
Shit, dude. Hook up to the mini bike.
All right, just hey, let the biceps rest.
Wait. Just
You're
wiggle the fuck out of it.
getting somewhere when you wiggle it. Like it's coming right now.
No, I don't think so.
Oh yeah. Oh.
110%, I don't know.
Get out of the. Oh, hey, baby.
Oh, it's not. It's, oh! You just threw the
Fucking dog. Let's see. All that work for this little dealy bob here. Wow. That was fucked up, boys. All right, we got the first side of this one cut. Now we need to unbolt it from the. Hold on, I'm not gonna be able to film and do this at the same time. Hold on, I got it. They're gonna get a good angle of this shit.
Is that tight? Nope, we're good. Hold on.
Alright, so what we're doing now is we gotta bandsaw this straight so we can weld that on first so we don't have to weld it directly to the header.
A few moments later.
Hammer through. Wah. Oh shit. Good shit, buddy. Alright, we got a piece that we need. Put this bad boy right chop.
Okay. Don't rev it, just start it. Yeah, just start it.
So now the plan is to get this bad puppy fired up.
That comes very good at it.
Alright, cut the footage, he has a phone call. Alright, a little bit more. up front. You good, homie?
Got you. For fitment at least.
Cool. No, you're good. I mean, hey,
That's
No.
shit, dude.
you can't complain, and we don't even know if fucking this is the right voltage or nothing. I don't know. Shit. All right, we'll show you guys what it looks like when we're done. It's just fun. Let me clean out the lens real quick. All right, making an angle cut on this so it'll fit better. Move, Gannon. There's been a blowout. There's been a blowout. Open it up. Toxic. All right, everybody, the killer mustard gas.
Oh, is it?
It's from Joe Dirt. Joe Dirt. Joe Dirt. Go, 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 go. Hurry up. Joe Dirt.
Okay, Duarte.
Oh, shit.
You got it?
You recorded it.
Okay.
Okay. But this isn't good. This is actually really
Zach,
bad.
we'll just start unraveling the whole fucking wall.
The molasses is everywhere.
This is bad news.
This is bad fucking news.
Yo, Dad's gonna be pissed.
Yeah, reporting to you live. We don't
He's
have
not
to.
gonna know about this.
This is good. That's fine enough, these rags.
Okay, let me get this. Get the fucking exhausto pipe out of here.
This is the lethal rubber.
What?
The exhaust pipe.
Dude, that spreads so fast.
500 plus horsepower. Okay, you guys will find out. Who the fuck put that there? We live by ourselves. We're kind of like self-made billionaires already. Custom fabrication.
Oh, step bro, what are you doing?
Step bro.
All right, let's see if she fits up. Oh,
God damn.
let's go, baby. Let me get an angle. It actually. God. All right, if you guys need something custom fabricated, give us a quote.
Give us a quote.
I mean, we'll give you a quote. Like, I don't know. Marking it.
Come on, Butch.
Come on, big dog. Cool. Caleb's gonna have his savages run right up. All right, now we're on to the next step. Clamping it down, welding it. Got the marks. I'm not holding that. What is it, gonna shock the shit out of me? Nice. God damn. Sweet. All right, we'll show you what it looks like when it's fully done. The video. All right, so we jimmied these things back in there, got all the things clamped up. Now we're trying to fit that side over there. And then, so I guess we'll just shut that.
That you had
Try and fucking get that one all good to go, and then weld it. The resurface this bad boy. Use safety glasses. How did that happen?
Benny just knocked it over.
Benny, you fucking goddamn dickhead.
Son of a bitch.
All right, we got all the stuff done. Looks pretty good. It actually looks really good for us not knowing what to do, but you can see the other side. Just welded those straight pipes in there, and I'll give you guys a clip of what it sounds like. Alright, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let us know in the comments what you guys want to see next. And let us know if you like some of the funny stuff that we left in this video. If not, let us know. Drop a like and subscribe. Peace.